Wow. Hi everyone, welcome back to another mukbang. Today I'm back with some Popeyes. I have classic fried chicken, non-spicy. And they have this flounder fish burger. I think it's pretty new. Looks like this. Ta-da! Definitely want to give it a try. According to my research on Google, it's low mercury, so I think I'm pretty safe. I have this is bean and rice side, and I have home style mac and cheese. Like that. I have a large coleslaw, most important when you're eating fried chicken, and I have shrimp taco box. It looks like it has like shrimp popcorn and shrimp, and then some Cajun fries and a biscuit. And I asked for a bunch of hot sauce, and then there's Creole cocktail sauce. I feel like this is for the shrimp, right? I think their seafood is limited time only. I think, could be wrong, but let's see if it's worth it. Lots of hot sauce. So I don't know if they discontinued this, but few years back, I think when I was in high school or college, whenever you go to Popeyes, they used to give you this bowl, like a boat looking bowl. I don't know if you could ask for it right now and they will give it to you, because before they didn't ask. They just it just always came with it. So I don't know. Okay, I think that is good. So whenever I film mukbang, it's never like set up, sit and go. It's never like that. I set up, get up, and then ready. Okay, never mind. Let's get up and then do this and that. It takes multiple tries for me at least. I have to get up multiple times. It wasn't a problem before. It was annoying, but it was never a problem because you want to be like set and ready to go right away, like at first try, but it was never like that. It was okay, annoying, but it's okay. But now it's difficult because it's so hard to get up. One thing that I really hate about having a big belly through pregnancy is that it's so hard to get up, especially if you get so comfortable laying down, sitting down, whatever. It's so difficult. It feels like, especially if I'm like shifting from left to right when I'm laying down, it feels like my entire organ is just shifting. Maybe it is. Anyways, some coleslaw. Oh, that's so refreshing. Let me try the mac and cheese. Ooh, salty. Then we have the bean and rice. I think they got rid of the Cajun rice one, I think. Cajun beans, I don't know. It's still good. Where do I start? I'm very excited. This might be my last Popeyes mukbang for a while. I mean, it's not like I film this every week, but for a while, I feel like it might be. I think it might take a while for me to film Popeyes because I am at my 34th week. I should be really careful with what I eat, but I think towards like the end, I am going to be very careful with my diet. I don't know. We'll see. I don't want to make any promises, and postpartum, I don't know if I want to eat these fried food. I'm sure I'm not going to, so we'll see. Let's try the shrimp. The shrimp is good. I think the seasoning is pretty strong where I don't really need this sauce. So I'm gonna try without it. Okay. Yeah. Wow. The seasoning is very, very strong. Let's try the fish burger. The fish looks pretty fat. Okay. I think I got a classic, but they gave me spicy. You could choose from like original or spicy. Everything I ordered is not supposed to be spicy, but I think this one came out spicy. Oh, this is why I didn't want it spicy, because it's so salty. Seasoned very well. So all the like fish burgers from any fast food place, and I believe they use cod, but they use flounder. Honestly, can't taste the difference. It's good. Seasoned very strong. I wish they gave me the correct one where it's not spicy. Because I feel like when you order anything spicy from Popeyes, it's just so salty. Things. Wow. Super flavorful. I think so far my favorite is coleslaw. Honestly, I think I crave the sides more than the chicken and everything else. I feel like they always had popcorn shrimp. I don't know why they said limited. I think I'm done with the fish one. It's not that good. I think it's just too salty for me and spicy. So let's move on to the wings. The wings. Actually, I want the thigh. I kind of want chicken breast. Mmm. I'm so in need of sparkling water, but I realized that sparkling water really has not been good for my throat and my stomach lately. Cause I've been feeling very like something I eat during the day made me have a very like acidic throat. I don't know. Like it felt like I like chugged a bottle of mint, like straight up mint, or like something just very like peppermint almost, but it's very but really unpleasant way. I thought it was like all the acidic food that I was eating, or even like maybe like spicy food. I wasn't eating too much, but I think it's the sparkling water. So I stopped drinking sparkling water for a day, and what do you know? I still have a little bit of it, but it's not completely gone. But it's much better. So I tested it out. Sparkling water is a no-no for me until I am done with my pregnancy. You know what I'm craving right now? Some oranges, and I do have some, so I'm gonna go get it. My oranges for a pregnant woman. I think my baby is kind of settling. Like it figured out its position to come out, like its final position. I know I am only at 34th week, and I heard that up to 36th week the baby could move around, change positions, but I like my stomach, like I get like these like harder lumps around my stomach, and I'm thinking that's the baby's back or like the booty area. But it hasn't changed for past 2 days. Past, yeah, 2 days, including today, and I feel like maybe it finally is in a position. It's not very sour. I wanted it more sour. That's just my assumption. I wouldn't know for sure until my next ultrasound, which is in a few weeks. 2 weeks to be precise. I heard that like whatever you crave or eat the most in your pregnancy, you'll be shocked how much your child is gonna like replicate that, or like how much they will love that same food. So I was trying to think like, what did I eat a lot? I ate so much watermelon, so much apples during first and second trimester, but then third trimester I don't even want any fruit, to be honest. I wish I did, because I want my kid to like fruits. I don't like fruits. I ate, to be honest, like one thing, I think one food that I know I ate the most is kimchi. Oh, these clementines are not that good. Or cuties. You know, now that I am so close to my 40th week, I'm actually starting to be a little more like focused on my pregnancy, like day by day, instead of like, oh my god, when is this gonna be over? Like, instead of dreading it, I feel like I'm actually able to enjoy this pregnancy a little bit more. Yes, I do have this big belly and my mobility is not the same, but it's still not that terrible. I could still do stuff. So I'm trying to see the brighter side of it. Really, I am counting down still, you know, but I feel like I could just kind of thrive a little bit more and enjoy this pregnancy, because who knows when the next time, or if there is a next time. Anyways, my microphone is turned off. I guess that's a sign. Like the memory card is out of space. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's mukbang. If you guys did, make sure to give this video a thumbs up and check out my vlogging channel, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks so much for watching, guys. Bye.